Alright, this is the drink time portion of the combo machine that you might have. Okay, so right here we're gonna open this, turning it that way until this kind of just pops right off. There it goes, and then you'll turn it like that and pull it. Now, this door does come off. I'm not going to take it all the way off, which I just did. Whoop, I'm going to take it off now. Move. Alright, so right here, you're inside the machine. Hold on, let me turn it on. So right here is where you're going to put your pop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 selections. You can hold. Can pop is what this one can hold. Now, right here is where the coins will go in. Right now it's set to 55 cents, but I'm probably going to change that. And then right here is where it does all the mechanical work to dispense the pop. This is the bar that connects to the coin lever and all that. Alright. Now the door. This is the most trickiest part. You got to lift it. It's probably easier with 2 people, but I'm by myself. It just fits right on there. We'll return that. Pretend that it's on there. It was not supposed to come off. There. Alright, so right at the bottom here, there's a wheel to make the door slide easier. That is about it. You'll come with a standard plug. It's the 3-prong. Now I've heard you always want to plug it into an extension cord. That way it fries the extension cord, not the outlet. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.